me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, cause I don't wanna waste my time. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up, I feel tired in my bed, wanna lay up, watch TV instead, about fake love. Let the drama unfold with my brain numb. Yeah, I'm still digesting everything that's going on, second guessing if this world is a place worth saving. I feel lost in this world as of lately. Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, cause I don't.
So yeah, this girl has shed out, and as always when my retics do shed, whether they've got stuck shed or not, I always get them out and give them a soak and just check them over and check that there's no stuck eye caps or anything like that. It's a shame that she didn't shed at the weekend, as I've been at work all day, and yeah, really can't be bothered, to be honest. But she has went to the bathroom in there, so yeah, she can't be sat like this. So yeah, today we're gonna get this girl out, give her a soak, clean this up. And yeah, we have got something a bit different to feed her today, as she is due a feed, but I am still waiting on my rabbit order. So yeah, we've got something different to give her after she's had her soak. So yeah, she has made a right mess in here, but yeah, doesn't look like she's got any stuck shed on her, but what I always do is get them out and give them a good soak anyway, and just check that they've got no stuck eye caps or anything like that. But yeah, while she's soaking, we'll clean her enclosure quick, and yeah, we're going to feed a few of the animals, hopefully. So yeah, if any of you do watch my channel, this girl has got a very heavy feeding response, totally different to my other retic I have, or any other retics I have kept in the past. But yeah, these guys are all individual, I find. But yeah, generally once this girl's out, she is as good as gold, really. But yeah, she has just got that very strong feeding response. You know, I have been bit by her before, so yeah, after that ordeal I am a bit more careful nowadays. But yeah, let's get this girl out and get her soaking. Go on. Go. Go on. No. Go on, go on. No, go on. No, go on. Pack it in. Go on. Go. But yeah, we do have to be very careful with this girl, as she will run the other way and you think you can go in and get her and she'll come round back at you. So we just do have to be super careful with her, as I don't fancy taking a bite from her again. Come on. Go on. But yeah, I've had quite a few retics, and this girl definitely is the most challenging of all my retics I've had. Most of my retics I can just go in and pick up, but yeah, not this girl. Right, come on. Come on, get in. No. Come on. But yeah, she can be a bugger. But once she's out, she is pretty good. She's actually looking really good. I can't see a lot on her, but we'll let her soak and then we'll check. So yeah, we had to cut that at the end as my partner was filming, and her head popped out the other side of the box. That scared my partner a bit, but yeah, she's in soaking now, and yeah, now we've just got to clean her enclosure up.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way.
Okay. But yeah, I really do love it after well, after you have cleaned up the mess they make. I do, yeah, I love looking at these after they have freshly shed. You know, this girl really is absolutely stunning. Again, I do wish the weather would warm up a bit here so we could get her outside, but hopefully, you know, next few videos we can do that. But yeah, this girl is starting to get some size on her now. So next up we have Penny, my female false water cobra. Now I don't know what's going on with her at the minute, but yeah, I thought she was gravid. You know, I saw them lock, and you know, she went off food, but now she's started eating again. You know, I'm going to give her one more shed, and then, you know, one more shed to just rule it out that she's not gravid. But yeah, I don't actually think you'll see her feed today. I mean, she might not have this, but the last 2 times I've fed her, she's actually ate. So yeah, but yeah, bizarre. Really don't know what's going on with her. But yeah, I will let everyone know in a future video what is going on there, whether she's gravid or not. But yeah, I don't think she is now, but like I say, that will be for a later video. But yeah, we'll leave these here and she will come and get them when we've went out of this room. So yeah, first up, I meant to feed him last night, but I forgot. But yeah, feeding Vernon, and we have just got some white bait for him. Hopefully he'll take it straight away, but yeah, wait and see. thought it's already a pond. Usually the retics get you know, a rabbit or two depending on the size, but as I am still waiting on my frozen order, you know, this girl obviously she's shed out and she is ready for a feed. I thought we'd try her on this, just chicken legs, but yeah, we'll give her a few of these and see whether she eats it or not. I'm sure she will.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me, I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, you're such a disgrace. I never really
I don't think it hurts sometimes to switch things up.
Well then baby, I can taste all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but
thank you for watching, guys. Yeah, if you do like this, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you do enjoy this content, please subscribe. See you in the next one.